Welcome to round 2 of Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In today's matchup, we have Plasma X versus Dagger, and this should be a real nail-biter because Plasma X's farthest flight in round 1 was 132 feet, while Dagger's farthest flight was 133 feet, so these two planes appear to be extremely evenly matched. Let's see which plane comes out on top. 3, 2, 1, go! What an absolutely incredible matchup between two excellent planes. Plasma X comes out the winner with a score of 3-2 after a very hard-fought battle, and it took a much better performance from Plasma X to get past Dagger than it did to get past Katana. With this result, Dagger is eliminated from the tournament, and Plasma X advances to the semifinals where it awaits the winner of Arrowhead and Zenith. If you'd like to learn how to fold Plasma X or Dagger, just click on the tutorials on the left side of your screen, and if you'd like to see the next race in the tournament, just click on that video on the right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next race.